Hi guys, my name is Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying finger coils for the first time. I don't know how it will turn out, but I'm hoping for the best. I'm going to use water to keep the hair moist, coconut oil to seal the moisture in the hair, and eco styling gel just as the name says it, for styling. I try this so you won't have to, at least not until you are sure. And according to the process, I feel this style is something you should try when you have some time to spare, but do not want to spend any money in the salon. Also, this can be the first step to start your dreadlocks journey stylishly. I have to let you know that I tried different sizes, big, medium and the small. To me, the medium coils were the easiest to make, but the big size took the least time. However, I ended up sticking to the medium and it took me 2 hours to finish the whole hair. Being the first attempt, I like the results, though it's not good as in the tutorials. Hopefully with more tries, I will improve the quality. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. If you did not still subscribe, you never know, you might like the next one.